FM. Yes, sokuyisikhathi sokuthi sikhulume nomalume wethu esimthandayo okhuluma ngezezimoto nosongela imali.
Bashana Bambi.
Malume.
Bashana Bambi.
Malume John Hunt.
Bashana Bambi. Bashana Bambi.
Space Boys.
Bashana Bambi.
Boys.
Bashana Bambi.
We them boys. Hola. Oh yes, it is that time where we have a chat with our brother from another mother, John Hunt, from Space Boys. Good afternoon. How are you doing this afternoon, sir?
Good afternoon, Mzo and Nombuso. I'm very, very well and really just brightens my day when I speak to you guys.
Because we are distressed, you take the stress away from us, mostly when it comes to cars, eh?
Well, we try our best because, we've just got enough stress. Everybody out there, I'm sure the listeners are complaining about the same thing. Life is just so stressful at the moment. So what we want to do is take the stress away.
How can the Boyz Group help listeners avoid extra stress when it comes to their cars?
Well, basically it's by supplying the right parts quickly and correctly the first time. And that's because we offer both new and quality used parts, which gives the customers affordable options out there. Helping customers save money, financial pressures are with all of us at the moment. So the best way that we can actually help take the stress away is by saving you money and, most importantly, making the process as simple as possible. Because it's one call to us, it's one email to us, it's one WhatsApp to us. We're one team, but we have a total solution for all the listeners out there, plus a nationwide delivery. So that's our way of trying to alleviate stress for the listeners and making their lives a little bit easier.
Mm-hmm. And when it comes to happiness, how can the Boyz Group bring happiness to our listeners in these times?
Basically, by putting people back on the road as fast as possible. We all depend on our motor vehicles today. The public transport system is badly lacking, so less downtime means more freedom for the listeners out there. So saving them money means more cash for the family, for food, for school, and even for weekends away. So giving customers peace of mind with reliable parts that they can trust. And that's helping people feel supported, because today we all need somebody behind us that's supporting us. So we at the team, that's how we want to take the stress away from the listeners out there, by basically giving them quick solutions to their problems, quick turnaround times, and saving them money.
Great stuff. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon, my brother. Yeah, man, how can we get a hold of you again?
Well, for the Space Boys brands, please, you're more than welcome, all the listeners, to pop in and come and visit us. We're at 89 Chris Harney Road in Durban. You can reach us on the phone lines, 031 579 8500. You can reach us via WhatsApp on 031 579 8501. You can reach the Parts Boys brand. Parts Boys deals with every single brand on the planet for new spares, no matter what it is, big or small. You can reach them directly on their WhatsApp number, which is 031 579 8501, for any part that you need on any car. Or if you just want to sit at home and pop onto your phone or onto the internet, we have Africa Boys Online that does all the brands for all the cars. You can reach them either on their WhatsApp line, which is 579-8524. But all three of the companies have very effective websites. That's sparesboys.com or partsboys.co.za or www.africaboysonline.com. Pop on, send us a WhatsApp, give us a call, whichever is easier for the listeners out there, because we're also trying to save them money. So it's not always necessary to come to the shop. We would love to see you, and we really enjoy you popping in. But whichever is easier for the listeners out there, give us a message, pop us a WhatsApp. We're just too happy to deal with you, help take away the stress, and just make our lives like Vuma more beautiful, brighter, and happier.
Thank you so much. So hlangana futhi ke ngesikhathi sefanayo ngesonto elizayo noMalume John Hunt from Boyz Group.